Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open the camera app and locate the live icon at top. Tap it once so it changes from yellow to white. This turns live off. Once done, go to Settings, Camera Preserve Settings, and enable the Live Photo Preserve toggle if you want the camera to remember your preference. Make sure to take a quick test shot to verify the icon stayed off, because that confirms you disabled live photos for future captures. Now adjust what's already in your library. Open Photos, pick a live photo, and swipe up to see effects and frame information. This shows why a shot behaves as motion. To convert one to a still, tap Edit, hit the Live button to toggle it off, then tap Done. This removes motion while preserving the original as a still. If you have many live photos, make sure to use the Shortcuts app or a trusted batch conversion app to process files in bulk, saving time and storage. Finish by preventing regressions. Open Settings, Camera Preserve Settings, and ensure Live Photo is set to Preserve. This makes the camera remember that you want live off. If the live icon flips back on, restart your iPhone and check for an iOS update, because system bugs can reset defaults. If problems persist, reset camera settings or reset all settings as a last resort. And if nothing works, contact Apple support. This covers hardware or account-specific issues that could force live behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.